Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can add any graphics to your PowerPoint presentation. We have already made 2 to 3 videos related to PowerPoint, so if you want to watch those videos, so you can easily go our playlist and from there you can watch. To like, share, subscribe for more videos. If you want to join us, you can join us on Telegram or WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever you want, or you can join 3 communities. All the links are given in the video description below. Let's start. So we have already created our project, which is called online business. So we are discussing about the online business in our slide, in our presentation. So for example, we want to add our logo to a slide. So how to do that? There are 2 ways, and I'm going to show you the 2 ways. First way, you just need to copy the logo, the image, and paste to your place folder, object place folder. So then the logo will be added. And the second method is from insert menu. So first method is very simple. So I'm not going to discuss about the first method. Just copy the picture and paste. And now I'm going to discuss about the second method. Okay, so
page up to select an object. Press tab. Online business training slides.
These are first slides. So after the first slide, I will add another slide.
To select an object, press tab. Slide 2.
So I have added the next slide, and I'm using JAWS right now. Always I am recommending you people to use JAWS with PowerPoint, because with NVIDIA you may face some issues. So now I'm just pressing tab.
Title placeholder.
Title placeholder. So here I'm just typing
F2. Edit.
Logo. So I'm just pressing escape and go to
Escape.
next
Object level.
placeholder.
Object placeholder.
So object placeholder, I'm pressing F2 key.
F2.
So here I want to add.
Escape. Title. Object placeholder. F2.
Yeah, here I want to add the picture, the logo. So to add the picture, I need to go to the insert menu by pressing Alt plus N.
Alt N. Upper ribbon. Expanded. Insert tab. 3 of 12. Alt follow.
Now I can move. I am in the insert tab. Now I can move group wise by using Ctrl plus left and right arrow. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus right arrow.
Insert slides. New slide split button. Alt
New
follow.
slides.
Menu. Tables group. Table sub
Tables.
menu. Images group. Picture sub menu. Insert pictures from your computer. Stock image
So
library. Your online sources. Alt follow.
yes, insert picture. So I'm pressing enter to open this dialog box.
Enter. Insert picture from group. This device. Alt followed by N. P. D.
This device.
Stock images. Alt followed by N.
Stock
P. S.
images. These images are available from Microsoft Library. So I'm always recommending you to use this device after downloading. So if you want to download any stock photos or any of this, so you can download any stock photos or any images from internet. Then you need to add here.
Online pictures. Alt
So
followed by
online
N. P. O.
pictures.
Stock images. Alt
Stock
followed by N.
images
This
and
device. Alt followed
this
by N.
device.
P. D.
So I'm choosing this device, and the standard dialog box will be
Enter. Upper
opened.
ribbon. Images group. Picture sub menu. Insert pictures
Now
from your computer. Stock image library. Your online sources. N. File name.
So now the file opening dialog box is open. Now let me choose the
Adobe.
file.
Explorer pane.
So my
enter,
file is
enter items view images enter logo accessible computing 2022.j.
so this is our file. So I'm pressing tab.
File name. Files of type. Menu tools to move through item. Leaving menus. Insert button to activate. Press space bar. Alt plus S.
So I'm clicking on insert button. I'm pressing space bar or enter to insert this picture.
Enter. Logo slide. 2 of
If
5.
you see my
Object place.
screen now, you can see my logo, see our logo and the object place folder. But the problem is we can understand that this is a graphic or this is a picture. So now I'm just saving this, and I'm just
to select an object.
I'm just turn on the slideshow view by pressing F5.
F5. Slide 1 online business training. Heading level 1. Heading level 1 online business
So
training.
I'm going to slide 2. Let's see.
Slide
what's
2.
this?
Slide 2 logo.
Logo.
Heading level 1 logo. Content placeholder for image. Content placeholder for image.
So content placeholder for image. So content placeholder image. It just says image. But how a disability person, how a persons with print disabilities, not a disability person, how a person with screen reader or print disabilities, screen reader users, how can they understand what's in it? For that, we need to add what? We need to add alternative text. So in a short term, it's called alt text. So let's see how to do that.
Escape. On escape.
So let me go to this
Page up.
slide.
Online page down. Logo slide. 2 of 5.
Yes, this
Object
slide.
2 as a
I'm
content.
pressing tab.
Title placeholder.
Tab.
Level 1. Object placeholder.
I'm pressing F2.
F2.
Oh, F2 is not working here because I have already inserted a picture. So when you added a picture in a slide, the F2 key will not work. And remember, do not add a picture with any other slide where the content is already present. So if you want to add any logo, any picture, anything, just create a new slide and do your work. So on the picture, I'm pressing application key.
Applications cut to move through items.
I'm
Press up or
pressing
down
down arrow.
Key. Copy C. Use that logo slide. Bring to front split button. Send to back split button. Hyperlink dot dot. Save as picture dot edit all text dot dot dot. A.
Edit all text dot dot dot. So I'm pressing enter here to edit the all text.
Enter. Leaving menus. Edit. Type in text. Blank.
This is the text box where I am going to type whatever I want as the alt text. So alt text should be meaningful and descriptive, but should be crisp also. Sorry for tongue twister. So crisp. So I'm just typing logo of
accessible. Oh, C space C space
accessible computing.
Space logo of accessible computing.
So this is our alt text. Now I'm pressing escape key.
Escape.
Now I am turned on. I am going to the slideshow view. Let's see.
Slide notes. Escape. F5. Slide 1 on heading level. Slide 1 on line.
This is our first slide. Then I'm going to second slide.
Slide 2 logo. Heading level 1 logo. Logo of accessible computing image.
So now the alt text is added and a screen reader user can understand what's in the image.
Escape.
So this is how
Control
we can add any image to our slides, how we can create presentation with images. So I hope this video can give you small things. So please comment below what you have learned from this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, watch other videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Thank you again. Have a good day. Bye bye.